Acquittal. It is a verdict in the criminal case that the accused is not guilty of an offense. There was no substantial evidence that indicated the accused to be guilty of committing an offense, and due to this reason, he shall be acquitted. Acquitted means setting free to the accused. Because of lack of evidence, he is not been charged. While the discharge means it is an order given by the magistrate that there are not enough grounds to lead the proceeding further against the accused. A discharged person can be rearrested and committed for the further inquiry. Means when the accused is given discharge, then he can be again called to the court or rearrested or committed for the further inquiry. While the person who has been acquitted cannot be arrested for the same case in which he has been given the acquitted by the court. This is the difference between the acquittal and discharge. When the person is acquitted, then he cannot be tried or he cannot be punished for that case again. He cannot be called for the same case. But while the discharge is given to the accused, then he can be called, he can be rearrested and committed for the further inquiry. So here we have completed the legal concepts. First lesson we have completed of the legal language. In the next we are going to start legal maxim.